Good afternoon everyone, welcome to the video. My name's Alex and I'm joining you from Phuket, Thailand. Don't know who this is, this little fella here. But yeah, I want to show you a little bit. I'm in this bar called Hugo Bar at the moment. I don't know this little dude's name, but he's going to join me anyways. He's run off now. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. As I said, my name's Alex, my business partner is Tom. And we're currently growing an Amazon brand, and today I wanted to talk about the subject of Amazon FBA and like the question, you know, is it dead? And the reason I wanted to do that is because recently one of the big YouTubers known as the Nomad Millionaire, he did a video where he talked about selling his Amazon business, and he talked about his opinion on whether or not it is dead, is FBA dead? So I wanted to touch on that, kind of give my opinion on it as somebody that's still growing an Amazon business right now. And to give you a little bit of insight into that world. So to answer the question directly, do I think Amazon FBA is dead? I think it depends, and I know that's a bit of an annoying answer, like a bit of a politician's answer maybe, but it really depends on what your goals are. If your goal is to make a bit of extra cash, that's still very doable. If your goal is to come in and make an absolute fortune and sell the business, that's still very doable, but it takes a lot more work. I think a few years ago, 3, 4, 5 years ago, you could get into it. You could go on Alibaba, you could buy a product that was in demand, put a logo on it, put it on Amazon, and you could do very well. Nowadays, if you're trying to get into the business, you've really got to put a lot of work in. For people like me and Tom, that's great because we love doing what we're doing. We have experience already in marketing and branding, so for us, that sort of thing is fine. If you don't have any experience, if you've got a really low budget, you're gonna find it difficult, and that's the honest truth. You're gonna find it difficult. It's not as easy as it used to be, but the opportunity is still there. The fact is that everybody is buying everything online now. Retail stores are closing, everything is moving online, Amazon is still growing. So Amazon FBA will never be dead. It's like saying selling things online is dead. It might get more difficult. It's changing. You can no longer just do the easy thing and make quick cash. What I will say is it's probably more important than ever to work with a mentor, or to have guidance from people that have been there and done it. And the reason I say that is because I know, speaking from personal experience, when I first started working with Tom, making mistakes is expensive. You can order the wrong product, you can make mistakes calculating your Amazon FBA fees. It can cost you a lot of time and a lot of money. If you are looking to get into Amazon, I would say, you need to learn as much as you can from the right people. There's a lot of, negative sort of opinion around gurus and around that sort of stuff online. Pardon me, and a lot of it is quite justified. Look at this fella up there. I think they're coming for my eggs Benedict. So a lot of it is justified. There's a lot of sort of snake oil salesmen out there that they don't really sell on Amazon. They're just trying to make money through selling courses. But the real truth is I genuinely wish that I had paid for a mentor when I first started, because somebody with that experience, they can stop you making those expensive mistakes, and they can just accelerate your growth so much. So on that subject, Tom and I, we're growing our own brand, and recently we've been discussing mentorship and coaching. We've had a few people reach out and they're interested in doing it. So we didn't really want to do it at first, to be honest. We just wanted to focus on the Amazon business. But since we've started helping people, we've realized how much we have to give and how much experience we have, and the people that we've been working with, they've been getting a lot out of it. So we wanted to open this up to everybody that watches, everybody that subscribes. We're going to be opening up mentorship and coaching. Some of you might roll your eyes at this and say like, oh, typical gurus on YouTube, they're trying to make money or whatever. You can have your own opinions, but the truth is that we're growing a successful Amazon business right now in 2021. We're seeing the problems, we're facing the issues, and we've got a lot to give. So if you're looking to get into the business and you want to take it very seriously, if you want to build a real business, a real brand, and you want to learn from two people that have a lot of knowledge and are doing it right now, then check the link in the description. We're doing a free 20-minute consultation. Absolutely no obligation, no pressure. There's no hard sell on any of this stuff. If you're interested, we're always happy to chat to people. So yeah, but you can book a free call in the link in the description, and yeah, we can go from there. So yeah, that's kind of the video today. I don't think Amazon FBA is dead for everyone. I think if you're looking to make a quick buck, it may as well be dead. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed, you know, the bit of a different background and stuff today. And yeah, we're going to be bringing you more videos from Thailand. I've moved here full time. Tom's here for a few months, and it's pretty awesome, man. Just working from a laptop, like, you know, every single day, just working on what we're doing. We're going to do some Muay Thai and some Jiu-Jitsu and try and just show you some cool content. So if you're interested, subscribe, leave a comment below, all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next one.